In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily access and manage your travel bookings on Expedia. Whether you're planning your next vacation or organizing a business trip, knowing how to navigate your travel itinerary can save you a lot of time and hassle. So let's dive right in and make your travel planning smoother. To start, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Expedia website. You can easily do this by typing Expedia into your preferred search engine, or directly entering www.expedia.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Expedia homepage, you should see a wide array of enticing travel images and offers, but we're going to focus on a specific task today. Next, look for the Trips section on the web page. This is typically located at the top of the screen within the main menu bar, near options like hotels and flights. Clicking on Trips will take you to a page where all of your current and past bookings are organized. It's your personal hub for managing every aspect of your travel. Once you click Trips, you'll see a listing of your bookings. Scroll through these to find the specific trip you're interested in managing today. When you locate your booking, you have several options. To view the full details of your reservation, select your trip, and you'll be presented with all the essential info you need for your travels. From this page, if you need a hard copy for your records or to have handy during your trip, you're in the right place. Look for the option labeled View Receipt or Print Itinerary. Clicking on this will give you a detailed rundown of your entire booking. This includes flight specifics, hotel accommodations, car rentals, or any activities you might have added. You can then choose to print it out or save it as a PDF for online use. And that's it. You've successfully navigated Expedia to access your bookings and get your itinerary. Remember, this is a very useful skill, especially if you're a frequent traveler or someone who enjoys staying organized. Having easy access to your travel details can make a significant difference in ensuring your journey is as stress-free as possible. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide today. I hope you found it informative and that you feel more comfortable using Expedia to manage your trips. Feel free to rewatch this video or share it with fellow travelers who might find these tips just as helpful. Safe travels, and see you next time with more insightful guides and tips.